I'm Mike.
I'm Leanne.
I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And we are
The
Four Nomads.
On our way to a trip of a lifetime. We're headed to Alaska. Follow
Alaska
us.
or bust.
Watch us. We'll try to put up some videos as we go. One thing we learned as touring these distilleries is all the buildings around there, including the trees, are black. That's because of a fungus that's created by the whiskey vapors.
Each and every day to cut out those labels. This is that for show, ladies and gentlemen. This is the actual process. And we're very glad that robots have now replaced this. In fact, when they used to make these last for a long time.
This was some random artwork that I saw as we walked through the warehouse where the whiskey barrels are stored. I just couldn't pass it up. It just looked too nice. In addition to the nice artwork that was in the barrel warehouse, I like the stained glass that we saw toward the end of the tour. In the final stages of the tour, we saw where the Maker's Mark bottles are dipped in the red wax, which is a signature for Maker's Mark. And you couldn't pass that up as far as part of the distillery tour. Final area that we viewed as part of the distillery tour was this exit area where overhead you see this stained glass, and it is just beautiful. And the value of this is said to be around $3 million, and you don't get to see this unless you go on the distillery tour. We left Maker's Mark and headed over to Heaven Hill, and we were told by the visitor center that Heaven Hill has one of the best gift shops in the area of Bardstown. And so we stopped by there just to walk around. Leanne found some recipes in there for bourbon balls and for bourbon roasted pecans, so we got a copy of that. Last stop in Bardstown was at Mammy's restaurant, and we got the Kentucky hot brown sandwich, which was delicious. Have a look at that plate. We enjoyed it, finished, and went home.